This very special dog is Jade. She is a 2-year-old lab mix who sadly did come to us from a rough situation. Jade was very fearful when she first came here, and as you can see, she's really come out of her shell. She does like people, loves to be petted and scratched. She's a very sweet dog. She has such a soft coat to her that petting is nice for you and her. She is looking for a quiet home, someone to help her feel safe and secure and just kind of continue getting better about the outside world. While she's been here at the Humane Society, Jade does prefer to go to the bathroom outside though, and she will sit to be petted and scratched. She does also walk nicely on a leash, and she's curious about the world. She does like to go for these walks, likes to smell and sniff, likes to look around, but mostly just wants to be wherever you are. She is very sweet and very concerned about people to help her feel safe. She's become one of the favorites here at the Humane Society and has just grown in leaps and bounds. This sweet, sweet dog is going to make someone a terrific new pet.